What's up, guys? Matt back here. So you guys have been probably wondering where the G has been, and it's been at the body shop. As you can tell from the last video, something happened, but took care of that, got all that fixed. Very blessed. So we're going to pick the G up this morning, guys. Very excited about that. I'm going to take you guys.
All right, guys, so we just pulled up on the G. There she is right there. We're going to go get her in a second. So we'll start with this side, guys. It looks great. Honestly, you can't even see any of that happen. Brand new headlight. Looks like the same bumper on there. Yup. But on this side, you see that's all fixed on the quarter. The whole side skirt is new, painted. Those dings right there gone. I'm just so happy right now, guys. We back, man. It's a good feeling. We back. Straight up. But we gonna get this content going for y'all. Still gotta get that dent removed at some point. But that's just another thing on the checklist. But as you can see, she fresh out the body shop. They didn't really want to clean the interior. That's okay though. Get the details soon. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna head to the shop Wednesday to do some things, so stay tuned for that. I'll catch up with you guys soon. All right, guys, so we're heading to the shop in a little bit. Gonna do a cold start real quick. Fresh little cold start. You guys, so we're at the shop right now. We're about to take it in a second, see what we can do as far as the headers. We're gonna max out the rear coils. I know that's what I want to do today. And also I was gonna see if I go a little low on the front. I don't think I need to, but we'll see if we want to do that in the future. But yeah, the main thing I want to get done today is just taking care of these headers. Honestly, the bolts, that way we can just get them properly, like the gaskets and the whole, manifold properly sealed, so I can get tuned. It's just best to bring your car like all, well to, you guys know, you want to have your car go to the tuner. You don't want to pull up with some fucking shit box, Plus that gives them more work to do. Obviously, probably charging you more along with your tune. So it's good to just do the preventative maintenance. You guys know what I'm saying. You feel me? Especially if you're into cars. Hope you are. But yeah, man, we gonna see what we can do today. Alright, so we're putting it up right now. We're about to get into it and see what we can do right now. So for right now, there's not really much we can do about that rattle, but we moved it over a little bit. See what it does for now. Can't do much for the headers today because you don't got the studs or nuts, but it's cool. I'm gonna just order them, and it's best if I honestly just drop the car off here anyway, give them more time to knock that out. But gotta get that done, just a security thing before I get tuned. And what else? We're lowering the rears today, so you'll see that.
Japan shit.
Say it again. Just what? Huh?
Japanese.
Oh yeah. We going all the way, man. Japanese. You heard him. Here. Getting something. I just ran through an accident.
You got it, man.
Okay. Tell them about the G, man. What's been going on with it? I know they haven't seen you a while on the channel. Oh shit, what is this?
I don't even know.
It's part of a light. Part of a light. Yeah, there was an accident. Literally, I ran through
but
that.
TJ just got that shit out. I'm about to show you what's going on with the J.
See it, man. You know what I'm saying?
I was new steering wheel on quick release. A little dirty, it don't matter though, you know what I'm saying? We thugging out here.
Yes, sir.
Feel me? A little, you know what I'm saying?
A little quick.
Get a little bit of, you know what I'm saying? And then we got, the fender's off right now, right? Only reason why is because if we go closely, you can see that the tire was rubbing a little bit, but I took this joint off. But to me, when we're drifting, like, this shit hard body, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
But you gotta have the other one on the other side though, so
yeah,
it's
I know, I was
matching.
gonna take it off because look, as we know, our OG watchers, you know, I crashed this joint a little
And then you
bit.
gotta get that fender. Where that fender at?
And a
boy?
fender, man, we ain't got no money. Listen though, we door dashing now.
We door
You know what I'm
dashing.
saying? No more mechanic shit, man. Fuck, man. We're thugging. We're about to blow up. Watch. Hold up. We got some stickers on. We got some new stickers on the back.
Okay. Making race.
We had to put the plate on the back. You know what I mean? Cause you know what I mean. My love. You know what I'm saying? She ain't went on the front. You know
Yeah.
we got thug. You know
You
what
gotta
I mean?
do what you gotta do.
You
Yeah.
know what I mean? But what's going on with this, man?
Shit, man. You know, man.
You want me to hold it for you?
Boy, yeah, go ahead.
All right, man. Shit, not too much, y'all. I've been keeping y'all updated and shit. We just lowered the rear jacked up right now, but that's it. That's
It looks
all that-
good. You got paint. Did you get the paint cleared up
Oh
and
yeah, the
done?
auto body. Well, I told him about that. Yeah, it's got everything fixed up here, y'all know, and nothing else is new. But the car's running good. We're about to get it tuned. About to get a tow made, nigga.
Yeah, that's what we need. We need a tow man. There we go.
What's up, it's TJ. So recently I parted out a 350 motor. I got a couple of things. If y'all are interested, just hit me up on my Instagram, VQ35CJ, or just hit Matt up and then he'll, you know what I mean, give you my number and everything.
For sure.
But I got some valve covers right here. They're decent. There's literally nothing wrong with them at all. They're for a 2003 and a 2004 350 or G35. DE though, only, not rev up or none of that. Got the lower intake piece. I'll give this to you for like 40 bucks. These drones are pretty, not really expensive, but there's nothing really wrong with it, as you can see.
Well, $40 is a great deal.
Yeah.
Could use a little porting, a little clean,
Yeah.
and that'll be a good intake manifold.
I got, well, these I'll let y'all take literally for 40 bucks or 20 bucks too, cash. I mean, I'm not really worried about it. I'm just taking up space. Then I got the headers for a DE, the stock ones. If y'all are interested, 70 bucks y'all can take them both. Literally, y'all can take these.
That's it, right?
Yeah, that's it. But
All right, so if any of y'all are interested in any of the parts you just saw, hit, like he said, hit him up or just hit me up. Don't matter. But we got all the parts here. He told you the prices, and just hit us up, man. So, bro just took the bumper off the G. She's looking rough.
see that, bro?
But nah, she looks
That's
good.
that drift-
It's
that's
the
that
drift
drift
look.
shit.
It's the drift look, you know.
Yo, motherfuckers, yo, I'm telling you now.
What I just get? I gave him some more oil. Yeah, he always needed oil.
Yes, sir.
But it's alright, man. Alright, so we're about to go out now. Fucking taking the G's out. Motherfucker is sparking up. You know?
Let's smoke shop out here. You know, sing out here, smoking a Zealand smoke shop. Zealand smoke shop. You don't know where we at.
We have the Zealand smoke shop. I'm new to this spot.
Come on, let's go, man.
In the smoke shop right now, you know what I'm saying? You know the vibes, just read up on woods. Huh? Yeah, forget. He doesn't want to forget. Alright, hold on. Alright, DriftTweakers shit, man. We back here.
Smoking dope.
Telling them what's up, man. We was at the smoke shop. A little bit of cruising. Where else we go?
Now we went to BP.
BP?
We went on Kirkwood, took a little cruise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This shit poopy doogie. See, look, show him. Tell him how it's bad. Look, you pointed out. What's bad on it? Where's that thick joint at? You see that?
Right there.
See that thick joint? That's a no.
And there's a hole in it,
Let
too.
me see. That's a no-go. He's cracking another one.
That's what we do.